Forex. A guide to learning Forex on your own the right way. Learning Forex trading on your own can seem like an overwhelming journey at first, but with the right approach and mindset, it's absolutely possible to achieve success. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through understanding the Forex market, building your own strategies, and avoiding common pitfalls that new traders face. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video is tailored to help you take control of your learning journey. Why learn Forex on your own? Learning Forex on your own has significant advantages. Flexibility. You set your own pace, making it easier to learn while balancing work or personal commitments. Cost-effective. By leveraging free and affordable resources, like this video, you avoid paying for expensive courses that might not suit your style. Personal growth. Teaching yourself Forex sharpens your analytical skills, patience, and decision-making abilities, qualities that are key to becoming a successful trader. The right way to teach yourself Forex. Here are the key steps you should follow. 1. Understand the basics. Start by familiarizing yourself with core concepts like: how does the Forex market operate? Currency pairs, pip values, leverage, and margin. 2. Use a demo account. Before trading with real money, practice using a demo account. This allows you to understand market movements and test strategies without financial risk. 3. Build a trading plan. Create a detailed plan that outlines goals, short-term and long-term, preferred trading strategies, scalping, day trading, or swing trading. 4. Focus on risk management. Successful trading isn't just about making profits but protecting what you already have. Use stop-loss orders and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. 5. Stay disciplined and learn continuously. Markets evolve, and so should you. Stay updated with Forex news and continually refine your strategies. Keep a trading journal to review what works and what doesn't. Start your Forex journey with confidence. If you're ready to take your Forex trading to the next level, check out the trusted and beginner-friendly Forex platform we recommend. It offers low fees, user-friendly tools, and excellent customer support to help you succeed. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to open your account and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, please checkmark like the video to let us know. Checkmark share it with anyone who might find it useful. Checkmark subscribe to our channel for more practical guides on Forex trading and other financial topics. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Let's grow and succeed together in the Forex world.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.